Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, as you can tell, it's in a higher resolution, so I am so excited for that. And wanted to mention that it's higher quality, so wanted to mention that as well. But I wanted to dedicate this entire video to Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad. It is Sunday, June 18th, and I wanted to mention that. So happy Father's Day, Dad. So I am really excited for this video, and I must have turned off the settings a while back on my camera. But maybe this is a new and improved video for you guys. So I want to put my camera to work for this. So this video is going to be a vlog, I think artsy vlog type video with my phone charged. And yeah, so I wanted to say that real quick. I'm really excited. It's high quality. I'm like very impressed with the quality. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And right now I'm currently reading Opening the Mind's Eye by Ian Robertson. So I'm currently reading that in today's vlog. So it's a nonfiction book, and I am really excited for it, and I'm really liking it. It's just really slow. I like to take my time in nonfiction and read that. So I want to mention a couple of things in today's vlog as well. I've been revamping my channel, so if you see some thumbnails, you know, improved and everything, I'm really excited for that. And yeah, look how much brighter the camera is, you guys. Like, what have I been missing? Seriously, just because my video used to export fast, but I got an iMac now, so maybe I can handle the 4K. So maybe I can make better videos for you guys and have some fun with that. And so I'm really excited. I can't believe the setting is like really bright, and hopefully it won't drain my battery. So I'm going to sign off here, export, see how long it will take to export to my iMac, and we'll continue on the vlog today. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to this vlog. So I've been filming this vlog for a couple of hours now. This is my desk area. When I have my coloring books here. I have my organizer here. with the markers. There's my book I'm currently reading. But the markers are here. Some erasers and some lady stuff. Glue sticks. More glue sticks. Sharpies for tutorials. My tarot cards. Markers. Coloring books. My books I'm currently working in. My spiritual messages books. My reading journals. Old sketchbooks. My angel journal. Some glue sticks. Watercolor paint. You guys seen this on my channel before, so I'm not going to open it. Spare desk. This is where I like to draw. So, and I'm currently working on a Father's Day drawing, which we'll see in a minute. So I'm currently working on that. So that's my desk area. Here's my drinks that I need to bring downstairs. Some water. So yeah, I mean, it's just desk. Here's my dirty needed eraser. Not that you need to see that, but so I took a second to clean it, but it was driving me crazy. So I wanted to mention that. Here is the spray bottle. I like to use my gel wash because they get dried out. I really don't have much else to say here, but the video's in higher resolution, so I'm really excited. It's in 4K. So I'm really excited for that. Over there are my books. I'm currently reading. I have to start TBR cart for another video, another day. So I organized my shelves the other day, so I'm really happy with that, and I wanted to show that as well. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited because it is Father's Day, and I wanted to wish you a happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you so much for all you do, and I just drew my dad and me. I do have a brother, but apparently I did draw him, so sorry, Alex. But anyways, I just wanted to draw my dad and me, and I did that for today's video, so let's make some art together. Let's get started and have some fun, and I hope you guys will like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I wanted to do a massive shout out to my dad for Happy Father's Day. I hope you have a great one, and yeah, so here I'm just drawing my dad and me. I do have a brother, and I didn't draw him, so sorry, Alex. Hope you don't feel left out, but so I drew my persona with dark hair, of course. I do have dark hair now, and yeah, I've always had dark hair, but anyways, I'm just drawing this for him. I will send it in a text to him later, but for now, enjoy it and enjoy the video in 4K. So I'm really excited that I could get my phone to do that for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.